Hello, this is Joan of Arc. Welcome to our Ilonggo edition. Guys, what is this in Ilonggo? Ano ni sa Ilonggo? Gano kamudi?
Kampay.
Gakamping. Di sila atin sa Ilonggo. Ano ni sa Ilonggo kay Ilonggo na di. Naga ano ka mo gatigang. Gatigang sila. Nagadabok. So dabok means building a fire for cooking. Nagaluto sila. So they are cooking. Anong ginaluto nyo da subong?
Maneho tinula kag
Tinola.
tinigang.
Ang tinigang diin da. Ang tinigang rice. So they're cooking rice,
Tinula.
water, and
Gaawasing
fish soup. So this is tinola. This is ininit. That's hot water. And tinigang. So that's rice. Ayos ah.
Pero ba kun niya
Ano nang ga-drill man? Anong tawag sina? Gatasok?
for deep well.
Okay. Tasok means a digging into the air for, into the earth for water. So that's the water source. So they're the workers that's doing that. They're staying overnight. Dili sila matulog sa gabi because they have equipment here and all those water pipes, mga tubo. So those are tubo. And that's what they do to save up on food and transportation expenses. Amo na di ang obra sang mga obrero. Nagaobra sila. And luto na na? Luto na? Ayan, luto na. It's already cooked. It's already done. And we'll have dinner here. Ato na, ginbakit na. Okay, meaning ginbakit. They're taking it out of the fire because it's already done. Not overcooked. Wow, it's a really yummy way of having dinner outside. And look at the fire. Look at the fire. 3-in-1, no? 3-in-1 ang ilang luto. Gwapo, gidya, guys. Believe ko, guys. Ubusay, bitsin.
Minum ka dami tubig sa?
This is Joan of Arc, and this is our Ilonggo session for today. Thank you for watching, and this is another Ordinary Experiences with a little extra.